Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart your iPhone 15. So let's get started. Now, this is something you would do if you're having any issues with your phone, and Apple's #1 troubleshooting step that you need to follow. So in order to do this, there is a process that you have to follow. First thing is you're going to locate the volume up and the volume down buttons, and then the big side button. So what you'll do is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold on to this side button just like this, and keep on holding it down until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears on the screen. As you can see here, I'm still pressing it down here, and once I see the Apple logo, I let go of that finger right there, and this process will basically shut down the phone software, reload the code. So if it's a software related issue, it's most likely going to go ahead and fix it for you. This method will not delete any of your data. All of your photos, videos, apps, everything will be on your phone. So if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it as many times as you need to, especially if this is something new and it takes a few tries to master it. So again, quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold on to the side button just like I am right now here. As you can see here, I'm doing it a second time just to demo the process so you can go ahead and try it. Again, really simple and easy, and this will go ahead and fix any issues you have. As you saw, I let go of my finger once I saw the Apple logo and let it reboot up normally. And again, this method fixes most software related issue without deleting any of your data. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.